Welcome back to my channel. For the company who is new into heat pump industry, they may know the markets well and have the proper sales channels, but often they lack of product expertise. In this case, it's very important for them to choose the right manufacturer as their partners. Amitime, we start our business since 2003, and we export our heat pump product to European major markets like Germany, Norway since the beginning. We are rich in product experience. We can help our customer to customize their product according to their market situation and to ensure they have a strong marketing competitiveness. Besides high quality product customization, we also focus on building our technical teams. We provide in sales and after sales technical support to our clients to help our customer and their installer to boost up their professionalism so that we can fast respond to the after sales issues together. What's more, Amitime only specializes in OEM business, so our customer never have to worry about us launching our own brand, competing with them in the same market. This also helps to set up our long-term business.